Are you traveling to celebrate something? What do you have a good time? Here at Grand Maple Hotel, there are tons of reasons to enjoy your life. Starting with our beautiful guest room, our rooms are equipped with balconies overlooking at beach that would totally remove your stress. Needing extra pamper, we have jacuzzi tubs that would bring out the young in you. So what are you waiting for? Book now and enjoy here at Grand Maple Hotel.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Grand Maple Hotel. How can I help you today?
I have reservation under the name of Nicky Mendoza.
Certainly, Mr. Mendoza. May I please see your ID and credit card for verification?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I see your book a double room for 3 nights, correct, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Your room number is 512 on 5th floor. Check out time at noon. Would you like a wake-up call in the morning, sir?
Yes, at 7 a.m.
Noted. Has your room key? The elevator I see your left. Enjoy. Please stay.
Thank you. Let's go.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Mabuhay. Thank you for calling Housekeeping Department. My name is Ferian. How can I help you today?
I would like to request an electric kettle and 2 towels and a doctor, please.
Yes, ma'am. But before anything else, can I have your name and your room number, please?
My name is Joy and my room number is 213.
Thank you, Miss Aguya. Just to verify, your name is Joy Aguya and your room number is 213 and our request is for electric kettle and adapter and 2 towels. Our information method correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. If you need anything else, feel free to call us at the housekeeping department and we will be more happy to assist you. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Housekeeping. 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 Good morning, ma'am. I'm Nikki from Housekeeping Department. I'm here to deliver your requested item, ma'am. May I come in?
Yes, come in, please.
This is your requested item, ma'am. 1 kettle, 2 towels, and 1 adapter. If there is a problem, ma'am, just call Housekeeping Department. Have a great day, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Mabuhay. Thank you for calling Housekeeping Department. My name is Ferian. How can I help you today?
Hello, ma'am. Can you please clean my room? My room is 213. Thank you. Housekeeping. 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 Good morning, ma'am. Housekeeping po. Come in. Mom, it's already done. Thank you. Kami na? Tapos na kayo?
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. Mabuhay. Welcome to Cafe Fair Restaurant. This way, ma'am and sir.
Good afternoon, Mom and Sir. Here are
Ang masarap itong pie ah. Isang order nga ng pie. Ikaw ang partner.
wala yung sa'yo, yung nalin niya.
2 piece of pie na lang. Tapos dalawang basong tubig.
Sure, sir. Can I repeat your order, sir? 2 pieces of pie and 2 cups of water.
Yes.
Just wait a few minutes, sir.
Thank you. Ito na naman ang number ng partner, no? Ang lamig pa ng aircon. Lamig ka lang, Dito ko na partner kung anong lasa. Sarap, no? Ganun gagawin, sarap pa. Sarap. Sarap. Excuse me.
Here's your bill, sir.
Tara na. Let's go. Ano dito? Ang para ko. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, mom and sir. I hope you had a pleasant stay with us. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I am. I really enjoy my stay. Thank you.
I'm so glad to hear that. Can I have your number and name, please?
Sure. It's room 4 under the name Joy of Buya.
Thank you, Miss Aguya. Let me just pull up the reservation. Alright, I have everything here. You stayed for 2 nights with breakfast included. Your total comes to 8,000 pesos.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, ma'am. Would you like it printed or email?
Email is fine. Thanks.
All set. Please check your email.
I received. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Then you're all checked out. Thank you for staying with us and hope to see you again soon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for the lovely hospitality.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.